Medium Hold Styling Cream, the perfect product for guys and girls with medium to long length hair. Now this is a pliable cream. Now what I love about this product is with medium to long length hair, if you're using a wax or a paste, sometimes I find it hard to work through the hair, but because this is a cream, I find it nice and easy to work through the hair. It creates a nice shape and gives natural shine. So I'm going to show you how I use this product. About this much, and I work it through my hands. Now you can apply this to wet, dry or damp hair. And I just work it through. Once I've worked it through my hands, I work it through the hair. I'm going to talk to you about some of the key ingredients in the product. It has carnauba wax, which nourishes the hair and provides hold. The lanolin smooths the hair and retains its moisture. And the PVP provide the hold and the control I'm after. Another key benefit is it's actually gluten-free. But as you can see, you can work the product through. It's really pliable. You can mold it, shape it, whether you want to work it forward or back. But you just create your nice shape. So for me, I'm going to get it back a bit, create a little bit of hold. That's Medium Hold Styling Cream.